Good morning from Cape Canaveral, Florida. This is the Space Coast. Looking at a couple of boats right here. I want to show you these boats so you can kind of guess what their purpose is. Over there we have Damn It Janet, number 5. And over here to my left we have a red boat named Iron Maiden, which you can imagine is made out of iron, or actually steel. So look back up on the bow. You can see those 2 anchors. Seen a lot of rough duty, but 2 anchors. And then I'll walk down the side of the boat and maybe you can guess what the purpose is. This is a former crew boat in the oil field in Louisiana. There's the pilot house, or in the yacht world it's called raised pilot house. You can see these numbers on the side. Those are commercial identification numbers. And continuing to walk down the side of the boat, you'll see these giant silver pipes or tubes on the stern. Guess what those babies are? We'll keep on walking down the dock, give you a better view of what's going on. You can see that big cage. And hopefully I don't fall off the dock while I'm walking down here, turning my camera around. And you can see those big pipes. Those are called mailboxes. The purpose of a mailbox is once you have the boat anchored over a treasure site, you'll use 2-point, 3-point, or 4-point anchoring. You will hinge these mailboxes overboard, and those big cages will go around the propellers on the boat. They'll put the boat into forward gear, and the propellers will blow water through the pipes and down those chutes. Right now the chutes are pointed up, but when you hinge them over the other way, they're pointed down. And this is what the treasure hunters on the Space Coast use to blow sand away so that they can try to find treasure from the Spanish fleet, the Gold Armada. Looking back to my left again, you can see Damn It Janet, and they also have mailboxes or chutes to blow sand away for treasure hunting operations. So if you see some weird boats like this on the Space Coast, or a little bit further south in Vero Beach, Fort Pierce, the Treasure Coast, that's what these boats are. These boats are treasure hunting boats. They'll use scuba divers, anchor these boats in shallow water, generally less than 20 feet, maybe less than 10 feet, blow the sand away and look for gold doubloons, gold necklaces, or any other treasures that may have been destroyed during the hurricane back in the 1700s. So come to Florida. Maybe after a storm, if you're walking on the beach, instead of looking for seashells, you may be lucky enough to find a gold coin. This is Captain Chris. If you have any questions about boating or cruising, remember, ask Captain Chris.